In this video, we'll explore some hypothetical examples of temporal and spatial price indexes. The tables here show price development for cement and asphalt products produced in Egypt and Iraq in 2020 and 2021. The indexes are set so that the annual average price of each product in 2020 in each respective country equals 100. What can we learn from these temporal indexes? These data show that producer prices for cement rose faster than producer prices for asphalt in Egypt in 2021. Producer prices for cement also rose faster than producer prices for asphalt in Iraq in 2021. 2021 prices for cement produced in Iraq rose faster than 2021 prices for cement produced in Egypt. Similarly, 2021 prices for asphalt produced in Iraq also increased more than 2021 prices for asphalt produced in Egypt. There are also some questions that we cannot answer based on the information provided by these temporal indexes. Most importantly, we cannot say what the actual average price for cement produced in Egypt or Iraq was in 2020 or 2021. We only know how much these prices changed between these two periods. As a result, these data do not tell us whether producer prices for cement in Egypt are higher or lower than producer prices for asphalt in Egypt in either 2020 or 2021. The data also do not tell us whether producer prices for cement in Iraq are higher or lower than producer prices for asphalt in Iraq in 2020 or 2021. In addition, they also don't tell us if producer prices for cement in Egypt are higher or lower than producer prices for cement in Iraq in either 2020 or 2021. Or if producer prices for asphalt in Egypt are higher or lower than producer prices for asphalt in Iraq in either 2020 or 2021. Next, let's look at spatial price indexes. An example of a spatial price index is the World Bank International Comparison Program that measures prices for a standard set of goods and services purchased in different countries in comparison to a global average price set to 100. In this hypothetical example, the table shows spatial indexes comparing the prices of cement and asphalt in different countries at a given point in time. This comparison is possible because the indexes are set so that the global average price in 2020 equals 100. These spatial indexes show that 2020 prices for cement purchased in Egypt were 15.2% greater than the global average price for cement in this year. They also show that 2020 prices for cement purchased in Iraq were 9.7% lower than the global average price for cement in this year. Therefore, prices for cement purchased in Egypt in 2020 were higher than prices for cement purchased in Iraq in 2020. The spatial indexes do not, however, tell us anything about how prices for cement and asphalt changed in either country between 2020 and any other time period. As you can see, spatial price indexes and temporal price indexes have fundamentally different uses. A temporal index looks at how prices of specified goods or services are changing over time. A spatial index, on the other hand, looks at how prices of specified goods or services vary between different geographic locations at a single point of time.